Here, the most important question: what is your role as a health and safety practitioner? Dear friends and fellows, the primary role in this scenario is to prepare, to make a risk assessment, conduct a detailed risk assessment, focusing on the likelihood of hazards and their potential consequences. Number two, implementing controls. Recommend and oversee the implementation of control measures such as roof repairs and installation of drainage systems. Number three, monitoring and review. Establish a monitoring system to regularly check the effectiveness of the mitigation strategies and update them as necessary. Number four, training and awareness. As a health and safety practitioner, you need to develop and deliver training programs to ensure all employees are aware of the risks and the actions to take in case of an emergency. And number five, documentation and compliance. You need to maintain thorough documentation of the risk assessment process, control measures, and any incidents. Ensure compliance with relevant health and safety regulations. Everything is not possible by a health and safety practitioner. But to make an indication of warning in advance, a proactive approach, reporting, documentation, risk assessment, inspection, monitoring, supervision, and raising the awareness among the workforce, these all are the responsibilities of a health and safety practitioner. I know a health and safety practitioner don't have resources, and this is not his job to make repair for the leaked roof. He don't have staff, and this is also he is not assigned for. Prior indication, warning, reporting, and communication with the management that there is the possibility of the roof is damaged. This is summer. In the winter, there are the chances of frequent rain. So, take action now. Make the repairs to prevent upcoming catastrophic or damaging incident or accident in the future. In the winter season, this is entirely the responsibility of a health and safety practitioner, because once he is responsible for the warehouse, he must know what is right and what is wrong. To just visit, to wander here and there, this is not enough. If you are going somewhere, you need to scan the area. You need to identify hazards. You need to assess risks. You need to estimate what is the severity and what are the consequences if this possible incident or accident will occur. Let me conclude this short training session about the risk management, or a guide to understand what is risk and how to calculate or estimate risk. Remember, effective risk management in the warehouse scenario requires a combination of structural repairs, preventive measures, and employee awareness. By addressing both the likelihood and the potential consequences of the identified hazards, a safety practitioner can significantly reduce the risk to an acceptable level, ensuring the protection of both the stored goods and the workforce, employees. Regular reviews and updates to the risk management plan will help maintain a safer and secure warehouse environment. In the upcoming training session, I'll highlight what are the different categories of severity or probability, how to measure and how to calculate the risk accurately, and how you can make an effective and sufficient risk assessment for an activity or for a project. For now, that's all. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Hope to see you soon with a new HSC tutorial. Until then, take care. Good luck and goodbye.